everybody, this is Tina. Welcome to my video today and welcome to our December card class to go. This is an online card class that I do with Wendy Cranford, and this month we're really excited because we wanted to do something special for December. Because our card class ships out at the end of the month, we did not want to do Christmas cards because you'd be getting your packages after Christmas, right? And that's no fun. So what we decided to do is a birthday stamp-a-stack for you guys. So we are getting all of our birthday cards ready for next year, and all of the designs for these cards, you could do multiple cards. You could change up the colors or the designer paper and make great birthday cards with these designs. So instead of getting 4 cards this month, you are getting 6 different designs. They're right here. I'm going to show you, which means you get to make 12 cards. So you will get 12 envelopes. You will get 12, all the different pieces, because you'll make 2 each of each card. So that's really fun. So let's take a look at these cards, and then I will talk to you guys about the product that the products that you guys can get and the prices. So here's our first card, and our theme this month, we really went with the bright color family because we wanted these cards to be bright and fun, and we love the products that we used. These are products from the annual catalog, which is really nice. So here's this one. So Wendy designed these 3, are the ones Wendy designed, and the ones I just showed you were the ones I designed. Some gorgeous grape, poppy parade. So there's those 3 cards, and then there's these 3 cards. And then these are the products that we're using this month, the Broadway birthday set, and then the blow out the candles set. And I actually had this since the annual catalog came out, and I hadn't used it yet, and I got it out, and it was so fun to make cards with this. So let me tell you guys the prices of this card class to go. So with this card class, you're getting the 6 cards. You'll get 2 each of each design, so you'll get to make 12 cards. You get envelopes with that, and then you also get half a pack of designer paper. Now this is the Subtles paper. I'm all out of the Brights paper, but you will get half a pack of the 6x6 designer paper. It's going to be in the Brights, so you will use that paper to make your cards. Okay, so you'll get half a pack of this. So your options for this card class, you can get either one of just the stamp sets for $37. So you can get the Broadway birthday stamp set, and then you would get the half a pack of designer paper plus the cards for $37, or you can do that with the blow out your candles stamp set. So that will be $37 if you want either of the stamp sets. If you want both the stamp sets and you don't want the dies, just the stamp sets, the card kits, and the paper, that's going to be $52. And then if you want the blow out your candles bundle, which is the die set, the stamp set, the cards, and the paper, that will be $47. If you want the Broadway stamp set, die set, cards, this is a lot, you guys, cards, and the paper, that will be $56. Okay? If you want the very best deal and you want to get both of these items, you want to get the Broadway birthday, the blow out your candle birthday, the framelits, all, and then the card kit, the envelopes, the exclusive videos, the PDFs, all of it, that's going to be $95. So there is an option. There's ordering options below in the YouTube description. There is ordering options over on my website, and then there's ordering options on Facebook, depending on where you're seeing this. You just look in the description and you will see you can get the video and the PDF only if you would like. That's $20. You can just get the kit. If you want just the card kits, it's $25, or you can get the product, okay? So you can check out those options below. If you have any questions, you can email me. I know it was a lot this month, but we're so excited to be doing so many cards with you guys. There is a bonus PDF for the extra 2 cards that we designed, so you will get that as well. So thank you guys so much for hanging out with me today. If you have any questions, please email me, and I'll be back tomorrow with another Hello Christmas project for you guys. Hope you have a wonderful week, and I will talk to you later. Thank you guys so much for hanging out with me today and watching my videos. Here are 2 other of my most recent videos. I would love for you guys to subscribe to my channel and give this video a thumbs up if you liked it, and I will catch you in my next video. I hope you all have a wonderful day.